How to add Razorpay on Woocommerce. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can add Razorpay on Woocommerce. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open your web browser. Over here, search for Woocommerce App Store. After that, click on the Woocommerce Marketplace. Then go to the search bar and look for Razorpay. Over here, you will see Razorpay for Woocommerce. Click on it and then select Add to Store. After that, log into your Woocommerce account if prompted. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. So that's how you can add Razorpay on Woocommerce. That's all for this video.